be transparent so you can use it in InDesign or Microsoft Word or any number of other products. So first thing is I'm going to take this and open it in Photoshop. I like to drag and drop them, but any way you can get it open in Photoshop will be fine. So there's my signature. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be destructive with this. So I want to make sure that I've got a copy somewhere. But I need to tell Photoshop that it's a layer. I get my layers palette here. I need to just change the name. Doesn't matter. It just tells Photoshop that this layer can have transparency, and that's what we want it to have. The next thing I want to do is destructive. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. I'm going to turn it into complete, only black and white. And I can move this little thing around to decide how thick the letter should be, which is really nice if you've got a pencil signature or something. So that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to double click on the little picture of the layer itself and bring this dialog box up. I'm going to say, I'm going to move this over just enough so that the background gets these little checkerboards, which says that's transparent. What I'm telling Photoshop to do is, hey, don't count any pixels that are wider than this. So I just slide that down a little bit. There's a completely transparent image now. I could save this as a Photoshop file and drop it into InDesign, but if I need it somewhere else or if I just want a simple file, I can save it as a portable network graphic. So save as and format, portable network graphic, PNG. There's the name up there. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. And I always like largest file size because I like big. And that's it. And I can take that file and drop it into InDesign. The end.